Prepared ingredients move directly into large-scale cooking operations.
Make sure the gravy is centered on that one.
All right, I see it now. Okay, stand back. Wow, that's cold. Check the manifest for the red crates coming up.
It looks correct on the screen. The spacing is optimized.
Every day, thousands of in-flight meals begin right here. How much food moves through here each day?
Up to 50,000 meals, depending on flight schedules.
Ingredients are sorted and routed for precise meal preparation.
Well,
Ingredients are cleaned thoroughly before preparation begins.
This stage ensures consistency before cooking begins. How do you maintain consistency at this scale?
we follow exact measurements for every batch.
Prepared ingredients move directly into large-scale cooking operations.
Rack coming through on the left, hot behind.
Heard. We need 3 more orders of the soup expedited.
Cooking is tightly controlled to maintain consistency across every meal.
Make sure the gravy is centered on that one.
All right, I see it now.
Everything here moves quickly, but every portion remains controlled. How do you maintain quality at this speed?
Standardization and constant monitoring.
Yeah. Each meal is assembled under strict quality control.
Rapid chilling preserves food safety and quality.
This step quickly brings temperatures down to safe levels.
How fast does the temperature drop? within minutes to prevent bacterial growth.
After chilling, meals move to final packaging and preparation for flight. Each meal is sealed to maintain hygiene and freshness.
This stage brings every component together before flight. How do you keep everything synchronized?
Every station follows a timed sequence.
Completed meals are prepared for loading into aircraft service trolleys.
Okay, that's 12 units on this side. Check. 12 units confirmed. Ready for the next row.
Each trolley is loaded according to specific flight requirements.
Everything is organized down to the exact number of meals.
What happens if something is missing?
We recheck before sealing. Nothing leaves incomplete.
Sealed meal carts are now ready for transport to the aircraft.
Meals are delivered directly to aircraft under strict timing schedules.
This is the final step before passengers are served.
How quickly does this need to be completed?
We work within tight turnaround times before departure.
Every meal is now in place, ready for the flight ahead.
Chicken or beef today?
I'll have the chicken, thank you.
Your chicken katsu, sir. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Each meal is prepared on the ground and served in the air.
How important is timing for service?
Everything is scheduled around the right flight timeline.
Okay.
This is the final result of a highly coordinated process.
From preparation to service, every step delivers meals at 30,000 feet.